Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can see who shared my post on Instagram. The steps are really simple and easy, so let's get started. First of all, you need to open up your Instagram app. Once you're here, tap on your profile on the bottom right corner. Here, you will get to see all the posts on your profile, so tap and open the one that you want to check. Once you're here, you need to tap on the three dots on the top right corner of the post. And here, you'll get to see an option that says View Story Reshares. Tap on it. Here, you'll get to see all the reshares of the post on your profile. You can also see the profile that reshared your post. To do that, you need to tap to open it. And as you can see, we can see the name of the person who shared it on the top left corner. You can tap on their name to go to their profile. This way, you can check who shared your post on Instagram. You can also follow the same steps for other posts as well in order to see who shared them. So that is how you can see who shared my post on Instagram.